works, and it can also work on this. I'm just going to quickly apply it on this one. So bring out your FR2. Let's take this up so the video won't be long. Let's take this somewhere around there, somewhere around there. So now here we have a white foam on our hand, and let's see. Let's click on start, and it's all about control. Now sometimes you just feel like it's not doing anything. Actually, it's doing something to the image. Okay, so even if you see it like this, let's click on close, it's actually doing something. That's because the file is of low resolution. I'm very sure this is like very low resolution photo. So I just have to use it just because it's good for the video I want to do. So I'm going to come here, like I said, come to surface retouch. Now I'm going to control it so simply. Now I take this up, look at what happened. It will start bleeding into it. So we need to control it. And meanwhile, that's the only way we can remove some of this down part. So even if we take down the transition, so we can take down the transition bit and take this all the way up to get a smoother finish. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it like this and click on OK. So now it's not a good image for the now. And how do we make it a good image? By applying it on the mask. So just come here, put a mask on it, invert. Meanwhile, we can go back to the surface, retouch, and clean things up. So let's make the mask bigger, hit X, and you can just clean over those spaces you want. You don't have to worry about what's going to happen. So sometimes you can reduce the opacity of the mask and just keep painting. Yeah. So I can just take this opacity, the flow, take it downwards and apply it over some places. But just for the sake of the tutorial, I want it showing. So yes, please use 50% opacity, and so that you get a good finish. Don't use all. So for the end, I'm just going to use 50% opacity, and you can see how smooth it looks. Okay, so we have it like this. Now it's not shown under, that's because the mask is not applied there. So we can apply it by just painting on it. It's like that, and that's how to apply this plugin. Let's go ahead and click on this one and put it on the nose like that. So just quickly, we already see what this plugin can do to our image before and after. Look at how smooth before and after it applies to the photo.